Morning, YouTubers. Well, it's been years since I've posted any video, but this is my garden gate build in progress, almost done. This is going to just be cut out, so it's going to be open, just like on Adam DIY's channel. These two pieces here, these hummingbird wrought iron gate plant holders, that's going to be my top pieces. I got them from Home Depot for a few bucks. And then I'm going to cut a piece of 2x4 in between so they got something to screw onto. Middle. This isn't in yet. This is just fence boards. Cedar, everything's cedar, of course. My fence boards, just trimmed it down to 2 and I don't know, 3.5 or 3.25. I got one more piece to put down on the bottom here, so it'll look like. Oh, sorry, I'm not a professional filmer here. Never will be. And then I run the lag screws like what Adam DIY is doing. So I'm going to run more down here. And he was going to use little pieces to join all these, but I think what I might do is take my table saw or router or whatever, and you can see the idea here. Cut down into my lower 2x4, I don't know, an inch or so, whatever I feel like, and that will be sort of like that. And my top piece, I'll do the little slat holders, if you want to call it like that. And this is going to be rock solid garden gate, and I got the same hardware for hinges and the handle like Adam DIY's channel. A little bit of sanding to do, a couple of corners. Anyways, fuck it.